Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. And I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guy, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to share with you a productivity hack that you can steal for your own business. And it has to do with how to come up with content. Content is something that a lot of people struggle with, myself included. Whether it's, what to post on Instagram or what to send to your email list, or even what products that you want to start focusing on carrying next, or something you want to do different with your products. So content can be a variety of things. So here is my productivity hack. There are probably certain times of the day that you get more ideas than others. I know for me, if I sit down in front of a blank screen, I'm going to probably sit there and stare at the blank screen, and I'm going to waste my time, and I'm not going to get where I want to go. However, when I wake up first thing in the morning, and it doesn't happen all the time, or like if I'm laying in bed, right before going to sleep, and sometimes even, if I'm in the shower, or it could be in the car, or it could be really any place. But here's the thing. I come up with ideas in these times where I'm not really planning on it. And sometimes I can get on a really big roll, especially for me. This happens when I wake up in the morning. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I could write an entire novel. So here's the hack. If you are getting thoughts and ideas of something that you want to do with your business, write them down as soon as it's humanly possible and safe to do so, because you can refer back to those ideas that you had. Sometimes it may not make sense to you what that thought was about, but it may be, something that you can repurpose in your content, or use in your email or your Instagram post, or whatever it is that you're trying to get content out for. So then you can schedule and batch your processes, but you're not starting with a blank slate. You want to write some emails for your email list. You can refer back to the notes that you have, and you can pull from there rather than starting with nothing, because it's a lot of pressure when you go to write an email, or you go to post something on your social media, for example, if you don't know what it is you want to post. So that's a little productivity hack. You can use the notes on your phone, or another app, your favorite app for recording your notes. And that's pretty much it for today. If you'd like to sign up to get my secret tips and tricks for my YouTube listeners like you can go to VintagepreneurUniversity.com/secret, and I'll link to that below for you as well, so you can go check it out. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also click the little bell so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!